The error code EC53 in air conditioners is related to problems with a temperature sensor located in the outdoor unit. This sensor measures the temperature of the outdoor air, which is drawn in by the outdoor unit's fan, to obtain an average value of the ambient outdoor temperature. In most cases, the EC53 error appears when the temperature sensor is not in the proper location or is not installed correctly, possibly due to a faulty or loose connector. The sensor's deterioration often occurs because it is exposed to harsh outdoor conditions, as it is attached to the condenser coil of the air conditioner. Many brands use the error code EC53 to denote faults in the outdoor unit's sensor, including Voltas, Bluestar, Dollens, Orient, Lloyd, Godrej, Reconnect, Medea, Kelvinator, Carrier, Eureka, Mirage, Lennox. Now let's look at some recommendations to resolve the EC53 error code. A. Disconnect the equipment from the power supply for several minutes. Then, turn the equipment back on and check if the fault code persists. B. Visually inspect the position of the temperature sensor. C. Visually check the sensor connection and the connection to both the external and internal electronic modules. D. Use a multimeter to check the electrical resistance of the sensor. Disconnect the sensor and measure its resistance with the multimeter set to the kilo-ohm scale. E. If you have the sensor's resistance and temperature chart, compare the measured value with the chart values. If you don't have the chart, measure the resistance while rubbing the sensor with your hand. The resistance should decrease. F. The resistance value should never be 0 or infinite. G. With the sensor connected and the electronic board powered on, measure the voltage supplied by the board, with the multimeter set to the DC voltage scale. This value should be around 2.5 volts.